Welcome to Sessions Health's tutorials.
Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the LGBTQ plus friendly features of Sessions Health. To access these features, first we're going to click on our clients list, and we're going to select a client to look at. Now we're going to click on the Details tab. And to get to these features, we want to look at account information, click Edit. Now we're going to see first name, last name. We can also put pronouns. Now, when we save this, this is going to display next to the person's name throughout the system. There's also another feature where, let's say that the person's real name is different than their legal name, and we want to use their real name throughout the system on everything except for legal documents, because the legal documents have to use the legal name. We can add a legal name, and let's say that good person's legal name is John Doe. Now, when we're dealing with insurance documents or super bills, the system will use John Doe, but everywhere else throughout the system, it'll use good person as the name, so that we see the real name, the client sees the real name, and the client portal, and so on. That's it for this tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.